This is your code book. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about two types of Python modes. One is about interactive mode, the another one is the script mode. Let me explain one by one. So first you should open your IDLE. So here the first three lines gives the information about your Python version. Here my version is 3.8.10 and GCC 9.3.0 on Linux machine. So here these three greater symbols are represented as a Python prompt. So Python interpreter is a program that reads and execute your Python code. So first we are going to discuss about interactive mode. So in interactive mode the Python statements are executed through this Python interpreter. For example, this interactive mode now act as a arithmetic calculator. For example, if you are typing 2 plus 4, okay, and then press enter, immediately it will generate the result. So one more example, if I am giving the floating point numbers 2.5 plus 4.5 and then press enter, this one also immediately gives the result. And then let's talk about the string. So print so welcome to Python programming. So press enter, then you will see the welcome to Python programming is printed on the this output screen. So here print is the function which is used to display on the output screen what you have given in the parenthesis. And the next one is again x is equal to 1. If you are giving x is equal to 1, which means this one is assigned to that x is variable x. So if I am typing x, then immediately it will fetch the result from the memory. And similarly we can update, for example x is equal to x plus 1. So now you can see updated the x value. And similarly one more, for first name I am typing some ABC and then L name, that is lost name def. So now I am going to combine these two statements. So print f name plus L name, press enter. So you can see ABC DEF. So the ABC and DEF is combined. Suppose you want to print the names with the space, you can here change that one, double quotes space again plus, now press enter, you will see the space in your output. And then in this interactive mode, if you want to know about anything, you can use this help. Okay, so this is the helping command to check our commands or instructions. For example, I am typing here print, so it will show information about that print function. Okay, so print value, separator, end, and all the information available in this helping module. Okay, if you want to quit, use Ctrl C to return back to Python prompt. So this is about interactive mode. So in this what is the main drawback in this interactive mode? We have previously we have saved a lot of values. For example, x is equal to 1 and we have updated x is equal to 2, f name. Okay, a lot of things are there. So now I am going to close this one. So opening the IDLE again. So now I am putting x, then it will not available. Okay, so the name error, the name x is not defined. So in previous session what we have created, everything is erased from the memory. That is the one of the drawback in interactive mode. But in this script mode, so to use the script mode, just click the file and open a new file. So this is the our new script for Python code. So now I am typing here, print the same welcome to Python programming. So I am going to save this one. Okay, save. So desktop Python. So message, my file name is message. So click save button. So the now file is saved. So message.py, and this is the my location of the file. So to run this program, select the run menu and click this run module, or use F5. Okay, use this one F5 to run your program. If you are pressing F5, you can see the output message here, this Python prompt, welcome to Python programming. So this is the script mode. So in later you can modify, you can add any other Python statements to this script. So this is the one of the major advantages of this script code. Later we can open this file and we can add or delete whatever we want. So another way to run this Python code is we can run this code through terminal. So for example, I will open this terminal. So if you are familiar, you can do this operation. So the file location is the desktop and the folder name is Python. So press enter and then put ls to view the files. So our file name is message.py. To run this program, so Python 3 followed by message.py. So then you can see the output. This is the another way to run your Python script through terminal. So these are the two ways run your Python code, that is interactive mode and script mode. So this is about interactive mode and script mode. The result is written immediately after pressing the enter key, and in script mode a file must be created and saved before executing the code to get the result. So thank you everyone.